Question is not as hard as you think. You are asked to solve 6x raised to the power of 6 equals to 6 raised to the power of 2 raised to the power of 3. Okay, recall that if you have 2 raised to the power of 3 is what? 2 times 2 times 2. That will be what? 8, right? Also, if you have ab raised to the power of c, this can be written as a raised to the power of c multiplied by b raised to the power of c. Is that not it? Okay, so that means if I have 6x raised to the power of 6, this can be written as 6 raised to the power of 6 multiplied by x raised to the power of 6. Do you understand? So I'm going to replace 6x raised to the power of 6 as 6 raised to the power of 6 multiplied by x raised to the power of 6 in the equation that we're asked to solve. Also, I'm going to replace 2 raised to the power of 3 as 8 in this equation. So the equation becomes 6 raised to the power of 6 multiplied by x raised to the power of 6 equals to 6 raised to the power of 8. Are you paying attention? The next step is that I'm going to divide both sides by 6 raised to the power of 6. And this also all over 6 raised to the power of 6. Are you following? So for the at the left hand side, we are left with x raised to the power of 6 equals to, now do you know that if you have a raised to the power of b divided by a raised to the power of c, because the base are the same, I can say it is equals to a raised to the power of b minus c according to the law of indices. So I'm going to use this law. I'm going to use it here. So I'm going to have 6 raised to the power of 8 minus 6. So for this, I'm going to have x raised to the power of 6 equals to 6 raised to the power of 2. Now, our goal is to find the value of x and not the value of x raised to the power of 6. To do that, I have to eliminate the exponent of x, which is 6. Do you understand? And that comes by taking the sixth root of both sides. Do you understand? So the sixth roots and also the sixth roots, I'm going to have x raised to the power of 6 divided by 6 equals to 6 raised to the power of 2 divided by 6. Okay, so for this, let me just complete the solution here. I'm going to have x is equals to 6 raised to the power of 1 over 3. Do you understand? So x will be equals to plus or minus the cube roots of 6. So that is the solution to the beautiful equation that we have on the board. Before you go, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, share the videos to your friend. Also, I want to solve. So that is the beautiful solution to the question that we are asked to solve. Before you go, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, share the videos to your friend, also comment. Okay, see you in the next class.